front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down just a bit to access connection and sharing. Then click on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher next to Use Print Service. After that, click on the back button, choose Add Service, and install the best one for your printer. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice to access the same printing settings. Now tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!